Hello everyone, this is Jonathan de la Cruz from BSHM2B. In this video, I will be performing one of the roles of laundry and linen department, which is the ironing. So, let's start. First, we need to set the temperature of the iron. We will start at the back of the collar. The motion of the iron should be from outside to inside. Then next with the front of the collar. Then same motion from outside to inside. Next is the left shoulder. Followed by the upper back. And to the right shoulder. Next is the cuff, which is wrong side. Same motion from outside to inside. And then the back of the sleeve. The front of the sleeve, and then repeat the process on the other cuff and sleeve. The next is the buttonholes, which is the wrong side. And then the front, which is the right side. And then the other half of the front, which is the right side also. And between of the buttons. And finally, the back, which is right side. Make sure to align the pleats. And then we're done and ready to put in a hanger. Close at least 2 of the buttons. And that's it. That's how I do the ironing. Once again, this is Jonathan de la Cruz and thank you for watching.